Hi everyone, this is Varun from Airplant Planet. So today we will be talking about a very simple and a very common topic that we get: what are air plants? So basically air plants are commonly referred to the Tillandsia variety of plants, which is a subgenus under bromeliads. So bromeliad is the parent, below that there is a subgenus called Tillandsia, and all Tillandsia is commonly referred to as air plants. So air plants, if we talk about their natural habitats, they are majorly found in the southern and central parts of the US, Mexico, parts of Guatemala, which is again in Mexico, Argentina. And since air plants are epiphytes mean growing on top of something else, so they use the trees in the forest and all as a host, and they grow on top of it. So you can find them growing on trees in the forest, on the mountains, in deserts. So in Mexico, so you'll find them growing in all sort of places. And there are basically two type of air plants that we have. One is the xeric type and the mesmic type. So xeric type, if we talk about, xeric types are those which grow majorly towards the desert areas where there is very less water, and they have broader leaves and more whiter leaves. Whereas the mesmic types, they grow in places where there is more water available, and they have a lot of water available, and those plants are more greener, a little more thicker leaves. So plants like Ayananthas and all, they are majorly the mesmic type, and Xerographica, Streptophila and all, they are majorly into the xeric category. So why are they called air plants? So they are called air plants because they have adapted themselves to grow without soil. So they are very interesting plants, very unique plants, wherein they don't need a root system in the soil to get their nutrients from. Instead, what they do is they have specialized structures on their leaves which are called trichomes, and they absorb all their nutrients and the water that they need to grow from those trichomes. They follow a process called cam photosynthesis, wherein they don't open the stomata on their leaves during the day, but they open it during the night. So they fix the carbon dioxide during the night and give you fresh air and oxygen at night as well. So with over 650 varieties and a couple of hundreds of hybrids that are already there, there's a huge variety that we can always try with. And air plants have a very beautiful thing. They give a lot of puffs, so they propagate by giving puff or baby plants, and they are monocarpia in nature. So monocarpia means that they just flower once in a lifetime, and after flowering, that's the peak of their life cycle. And after that they start giving out baby plants, and the mother plant slowly starts withering off. But by that time you would have a couple of baby plants to grow. So having said that, there is a lot more to talk about air plants, which we will be covering in our other videos. But welcome to the world of air plant, and I hope that it will be exciting for you to keep them. Don't forget to follow, like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like it. Thank you.